Oh, the fun of Denver. Big old storm running in. They say if you don't like the weather, wait 15 minutes. So, I'm gonna wait 15 minutes. I'm probably gonna get poured on. I gotta go over there. So, I'll be over there in a few, about a half hour. So, I'll see what's going on with this new carrier. Alright, tune in. Got up here, just got the panel off, so we'll see what's going on. Circuit board is solid red. Normal operation. So, let's see if that thermostat's not sending a signal or something. Probably not a good place to set my phone up. Check the R to C first, see if I have my 24. Alright, I have 24 volts. Let me check my incoming power. 207. Good. Let's go back to the disconnect. Let's check the disconnect first, this might be silly. Red to yellow. Starting to get rain done. Red to yellow. They have 24 volts, so that means that it's not calling. Downstairs it says that it's calling now. So, we may have a bad thermostat. Jump it out, we'll see. Jump out red to wide. So we know it's a thermostat issue. We go downstairs with the thermostat real quick, and then I'll hop back up here and we'll check filters and stuff like that. So we'll get back here in a sec. Multiple offender. Look at that. It's good. It's a new unit. No bueno. So. And then also the thermostat is not sending any signal up here. So I went down, the fan seems to be working now. I just kind of hit the thermostat a little bit. So something internally in the circuit board and the thermostat's failed. So that's it for that one. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one. The wires a little bit and the thermostat ended up working, but I'm going to go get a new thermostat put in. That's pretty much it. So I know I said rock and roll, but rock and roll. Have a good one. Like, subscribe. Have a good day. Happy Friday tomorrow.